Hello everyone, hello friends, family, tastemakers, and my posh partners. Welcome to the channel. Tanya here, and in today's video I want to share with you a unique Mother's Day gift idea, and it's very affordable. And this is a watering can gift basket arrangement. Okay, so I used one of these watering cans from the Dollar Tree. Let's see, it's everything. I have my accessories are from Dollar Tree, and then I'll show you everything that I have. So we just have one of these watering cans. We have a gardening gloves. This can either be a gardening theme gift basket or the watering can gift basket. Okay, we have our gloves, gardening gloves. We have a gift wrap bag. We have the sprayer. Since this is a watering can, we're going to, add the sprayer to it. Oh, I also have my Posh bow in lavender. We're going to put some Victoria's Secret hand cream. This is a moisturizing hand lotion and a hand soap, and it's in the lavender vanilla. And it's the relax line. Okay, you see that? And I just put this in a cello bag just to make sure, nothing leaks or anything. All right, so that's on theme, because you guys know, what are we big on? We big on a strong theme and a color scheme. I like to rhyme. That's why I say if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe, okay? So I think I like poetry, so I think rapping is poetry too. So I've been a poet all my life, so I could, put some rhymes together. Okay, so we're gonna use that. And then we have our kneeling pad here. You see our gardening kneeling pad. And then we have an assortment of seeds. And then we have our nail and a manicure pedicure set, and we have some floral scissors. And I just taped it to the kneeling pad, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to I stuffed this watering can with tissue. I have some mailing paper in here and a tissue. This is some cello paper in here. Like if I tear a bag or something, I'll keep it and I'll use it to line my baskets. Just put some tissue in there, and I have some shred. Let me take this pink out. These pink strips. Okay, so I have some coordinating shred in here. All right. I sew and I crochet, and so a big thing is we want to keep, like in sewing, the inside of my garment is just as pretty as the outside. It needs to be neat. So I like that with my basket. I want the ends, even the mechanics, to be just as nice as the outside. We got our gloves draped on here. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Well, let's see. Let's see if I can come around here. Okay, so we're going to place our kneeling pad in here. Okay. Take some of this out. Oh, I know what I did last time. In there, and then you can tape it to the tape, especially if you want to send this away or really have this like on your table. Put some stuffing in the back and tape it to your vessel, okay? So that's 90% of it right there, getting this to fit. All right, then I'm gonna take this. Now right now, until I know exactly I'm gonna use this, I keep my tags on so I can know where I get stuff from. So when I do a video, I can tell you guys. So I'm gonna stick that right here, okay? And see, this gives it the weight that you need. And that's all we need. Last year I did these were hit. You can fold that down so that you can see everything. These were hit, and we can also put a journal in here. You know, if it's in your budget, put a journal and an ink pen in here so you know you can take notes so that the recipient can take notes on their plants. So. So that's all we need. Okay, so that's, and this is the expensive stuff here. We have Victoria's Secret. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 10 items in here, and these are expensive. You get 5 pieces here, 4. You know, that's a nice gift. And so I'm going to do. You can shrink wrap this. It's going to be a funny shape. Oh yeah, and you can put a flower in there. Put a nice little, let's see if I have one quick and handy. I'm going to show you this just for an idea. If you can find a purple or lilac color, I think a lilac would be cute, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Put a nice little flower in there, okay? Or even a yellow one. Or a white flower. I didn't have one handy. And that's why I'm not like closing this up permanently, because I have to dig for my flower, and then it'll be complete. Okay, then take these, get all the air out of it. Take your corners, fold them back. Okay, and then take the Posh bow or your favorite bow. For those of you guys that are new, I call them the bows that I make for my gift basket. I call them Posh bows because the name of my channel is Posh and Gifted, and these are just bows that I like, that I make to adorn my gift baskets. And I think everybody should have their own little signature, because you're a designer like anybody else. And so we'll get the air out, and then here is our gift. Isn't that cute? I always wish they had a darker, and this ribbon, it's a lilac, but I can never find like a deeper purple. And that's all it takes. And if these are all you need. Now I have these in pink, yellow and green. So you do the same thing. I have all the coordinating gloves and pruning shears and all of that. And then you put your pink hand care stuff. Because as a gardener, you know, we use our hands a lot. So this is cute. So if you got some inspiration from this, guys, I appreciate it if you hit that like button. Like I said before, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe. Would love to have you. Just do a lot of fun, interesting things around here. And this is a creative lifestyle brand and channel. So, you know, we're about making a living and being creative for passion and profit. Okay? All right, and these are inexpensive. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom. Bye, everybody.